Welcome to our channel. If you're upgrading to a new iPad and want to transfer all your data, follow these step-by-step instructions to move everything seamlessly. Step 1. Make sure your old iPad is backed up to iCloud. Go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and ensure iCloud backup is turned on. Step 2. On your old iPad, go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and tap iCloud Backup. Tap Backup Now to create a current backup. Step 3. Turn on your new iPad and go through the initial setup screens until you reach the Apps and Data screen. Step 4. Select Restore from iCloud Backup on the Apps and Data screen. Step 5. Sign into iCloud with your Apple ID and password when prompted. Step 6. Choose the most recent backup from your old iPad. Make sure to select the backup with the latest date and time. Step 7. Wait for the transfer to complete. This may take several minutes to hours depending on the size of your backup and internet speed. Step 8. Alternatively, you can use Quick Start by placing your old iPad next to your new iPad and following the on-screen prompts to transfer data directly. Step 9. Once the transfer is complete, sign into your Apple ID again if prompted, and set up Face ID or Touch ID. Step 10. Wait for all your apps to download and your data to sync. Your new iPad will now have all the data from your old device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.